Hi, in this video I will show you how to do a poll on the Snapchat. So by default there is no option to do a poll on the Snapchat. So how you can do it, simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your browser and click on new tab, and you have to search for the poll maker. Once you will search for it, you will see different polls here. Simply you have to search for the www.pollmaker.com, tap on it, and you will see screen like this. Select a poll from here, enter your question like streaks, and then write answer yes, no. Once you will do it, now you have to simply click on the create poll, and you will see a link here. Copy this link and go back, open your Snapchat. Now click a picture and you will see a pin icon here. Simply you have to tap on it, and you have to paste that link you have copied from the Google and search for it. Now you have to click on the attach to the snap. Once you will attach to the snap, your poll is here. Now you can send as a streak. So this is the procedure to do a poll on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.